Well, we have a few clouds out there, but noticeable improvement to visibilities. No more of that sticky, gunky smoke in the atmosphere today. It's still a little bit full of particulates, but not like it was yesterday. Take a look at this. The visible satellite imagery as we head across the region is showing the smoke in the wildfires in southern Canada, mainly north of the Kenora area there, now drifting northward. So some south winds kind of blocking off that path of the smoke, and that's a relief because it was really sticky and itched the throat when we were going outside yesterday, reducing visibilities to under 5 miles in places and really providing a lot of stink in the atmosphere. The latest from our Storm Team Skycam network showing just a few clouds out there and temperatures near 70 degrees at Hector, 72 at Moorheads Airport, 9:23 tonight, the time of sunset, and a north wind at 5 miles per hour. Across the region, we're near 70 degrees in southeast North Dakota. The warm spot looks to be in Gwinner and Sisseton at 73 degrees. Temperatures are in the mid-60s in places like Bemidji and Park Rapids as well, out toward the east into Fosston. More comfortable weather for our night tonight. Notice this bank of clouds out here to the east. They're going to linger. I can't rule out a sprinkle, but by and large, we'll stay fairly quiet here as we look at the radar into the evening hours. Clearing skies out to the west and northwest of Fargo, but we do see clouds west of that. Take a look at this. As we take a look at the big picture, we do have an exiting storm system out of the Pacific Northwest. That's going to bring a chance of some showers. Now notice where the clouds linger in the central Dakotas down towards Iowa. Will be along that boundary where we'll have the best chance of rain in the next 24 to 36 hours. So here we go. As we set your forecast into motion, our clouds across Minnesota will linger. We'll still have passing clouds across the valley, but a quiet evening as temperatures sneak into the 60s. Overnight, a few of us will once again dip briefly into the 40s. Best chance of that far north into northern Minnesota. And look at this. As we go to the day tomorrow, those south winds take hold and we'll see increasing clouds after temperatures climb out of the 50s. We're on our way in the afternoon hours here, pausing at 3:15. In the mid-70s. So we'll improve on today's temperatures by a couple of degrees. We're going to sweep away some of the lingering clouds across Minnesota, but they'll be replaced by the system in the Pacific Northwest that makes its way in. After dinner, showers and thunderstorms develop in the central Dakotas. And as we go into the evening hours, watch what our model's doing there. About the 10 o'clock hours, see this backwards C shape here, showing possibly some windy thunderstorms into the nighttime hours. Now, our risk of severe is low, but if we're going to get some nasty weather, it'll be the gusty winds. Now, track these into the nighttime hours. So we pause this at about midnight, still rumbling through southeast North Dakota. Well, and this model run shows Fargo missing that, but in the morning hours, we could get a taste with very dry conditions continuing north of I-94. Here's a look at your planning forecast for Fargo. 56 in the morning hours. Warming it up, we'll see mid-70s for the afternoon. We'll have passing clouds, south winds 5 to 15 miles per hour, so not too strong. Still very comfortable, but below average for this time of the year, and the rain chances do not get here through the daylight or work hours and even to bedtime. It'll be late at night before they arrive. 4 o'clock snapshot, 70 to 80 degrees across the region as a rule, so not a bad day. Again, dry weather with nighttime storms rumbling through southeast North Dakota and northeast South Dakota. Some good weather to get out and enjoy the fairways, and this shot of Village Green shared by Dan. Thanks so much. Beautiful scene there. Now take a look at this. Our best chance of rain Thursday night into Friday morning, 77 degrees as we cap off a cool work week. Then 81 on Saturday, sunny and hot on Sunday. The heat builds into middle of next week when we'll have isolated to scattered shower and thunderstorm chances. Notice a big cool down here as we go from Tuesday and Wednesday, Stacy, as we're monitoring that system for the rain that it could potentially bring. But overall dry once we get through tomorrow night late and Friday morning.
Yeah, it definitely feels different out there. It's chilly.
Indeed it is.
Thanks, Hutch.